Welcome to Marian Ayurveda. Today we are going to discuss about Chirakkakkode, also known as Chirakkakkode in Sanskrit. We will be talking about this single drug called Chirakkakkode. According to many traditional practitioners, this drug is considered the nectar for women's diseases. In other words, if we use this medicine, if we consume it, it produces effects in our body that are equivalent to nectar. That's how special and remarkable this drug is. That is Kuppa. It is very important for us women to know about its benefits and its medicinal uses. So let's see what this is all about. This is a drug known by the scientific name Anathemsoa. It belongs to the Apiaceae family. It is a drug that belongs to this family. Usually we need to know how to identify this. So this is a common medicinal plant. It's a herb, meaning it is generally a small plant. This plant is a herb that grows up to a maximum height of 60 centimeters. Then what we use from this plant is the leaves are what we call very needle-like structures. That is, the leaves don't look like typical leaves. Instead, they are needle-shaped. Similarly, the medicinal part we use is the leaves. These seeds, which we commonly find in some supermarkets, can be bought in certain supermarkets as well. It is something that significantly improves the overall flavor profile of soups and sauces as well. That's exactly how it is commonly utilized in all of these dishes. Similarly, in the practice of Ayurveda, the specific part of Sathakuppa that we use is its dried ripened fruit. The fruit is usually seen in a light yellow to brown shade. It is a small fruit, and this is what we commonly use for medicinal purposes in Ayurveda. Nowadays, it is also cultivated on an industrial scale. It is found throughout India, but is most commonly seen in states like Punjab and Gujarat. If we look at the properties of this fruit as described in Ayurveda, it is a drug with very sharp and hot qualities. It has a hot nature. Its taste is classified as pungent and bitter. Similarly, in terms of the diseases it is used for, such as fever that we may have, apart from gynecological diseases, this is mainly used for women's health issues. In addition, it is also effective for fever, acidity, and problems related to an acidic nature due to indigestion. For all such conditions, Sathakuppa is a very effective medicine. Similarly, it is also effectively used to increase breast milk production in women. So today, let's look at how this works in women's diseases. Nowadays, we see a lot of menstrual-related problems, starting from a young age, like PCOS, and this is one drug that can give us wonderful results in such cases. In the last clinic, there was a patient who came in. She had a young child. An adolescent girl, around age 11 or 12, came in because her periods were not regular. We did some tests and investigations, and now it has been diagnosed as PCOD. She was not getting her periods at all. In such situations, we used shatavari prepared from its tuber and administered it as an asava herbal preparation. Similarly, shatavari powder as well, 15 grams. We mixed it with village honey. It was given to be taken internally. Along with that, after administering these medicines, we also added decoctions containing shatavari. Within just 2 to 3 weeks, she was able to start her periods and everything. So the main reason for this is the strong and hot properties of shatavari. That is why it is said to be excellent for inducing menstruation. Shatavari is a very effective medicine for promoting menstruation. Similarly, nowadays, a major problem is very painful menstruation. During menstruation, there can be severe pain. In such cases, using this shatavari oil is very effective. By preparing and applying this oil, we can address the issue directly through the vaginal route. That is, through this route, it helps to start our periods as well. If we do this vasti 2 weeks in advance, it is very effective for painful menstruation like this. Similarly, after examining the vagina, we can understand the condition. There may be situations where it is very inflamed or there are erosions. In such cases, we can use this oil there as well. It is said to keep it in the perineum. After placing it properly and keeping the pessary, soak the oil in cotton and insert it into the vagina. Then in that situation, after about 12 hours, you should remove it. During that time, through capillary movement, the oil or its components reach the uterus. This Sathakuppa oil reaches the uterus completely and is also a very effective medicine for painful menstruation. Similarly, it is used in cases of infertility as well. Its action is truly wonderful because in infertility conditions, especially in cases of anovulation, that is, when ovulation does not occur, we administer this Sathakuppa oil as a vaginal suppository. As for how many days this can be done, Uttaravasti refers to the process of administering medicine into the vagina using a sterile instrument. In such cases, the medicine reaches the uterus, and in conditions where ovulation does not occur, this helps induce ovulation, thereby aiding conception. In this way, we are able to address many of the common gynecological issues women face. In this episode, we discussed one drug that delivers very significant results. So regarding this, we use that medicine both internally and in the vagina, as well as externally as an ointment. We apply it on the abdomen and massage it outside. That's one way. This will help to enhance its effect. Similarly, there are other uses as well. For conditions like fistula, we take this Chirakkakkode powder and mix it with Vayambu and other ingredients to make a paste. If we apply that paste to the affected area, it has an anti-inflammatory action. This Chirakkakkode helps to quickly reduce the discharge. And likewise, if we prepare a decoction with it and pour it over the area, which is called dara, it is also beneficial. If you simply pour it like this, it can be used to remove water stagnation. Similarly, when we eat sugar cane or similar things, sometimes we feel very heavy. In such situations, if you mix this with salt, crush it, add ghee, and apply it, the toxins in it will quickly be neutralized and it will be effective for us. So we have now learned about Sathakuppa, which has so many beneficial properties. In the next episode, let's get to know another new drug. Thank you.